Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can report a channel on Twitch. So let's start. The first thing you want to do, you want to find some channel, and I'll just scroll down below. Like, what is this? Or just let me find something which is like, what's the point of streaming when you have 5 viewers? And what you want to do is just open a streamer, settings, go here to the three dots under the follow and report. And now you can somewhere else, whatever, next, on Twitch, and just choose the problem why I want to report the person. And that's
call yourself something like give yourself like a cool little, again, pseudonym name or whatever. But
yeah. So have a great day everybody, and goodbye.